Imagine a world where blockchain technology isn't just about finance. A world where it powers the next generation of the internet, a decentralized web where you truly own your data and experiences. That's the vision behind Neon, and today, we're diving deep into what the future holds for this ambitious project. Now, you might be thinking, Neon? What's that? Well, Neon is a Layer 2 scaling solution built on Ethereum. Think of it as a high-speed highway built on top of the existing Ethereum road. This allows for incredibly fast and incredibly cheap transactions, a crucial step towards mass adoption of blockchain technology. But Neon isn't just about speed and cost. It's about bringing the power of Ethereum to a wider audience. Ethereum, for all its groundbreaking innovations, faces limitations. High transaction fees and slow speeds can make it impractical for everyday use. Neon aims to solve this by leveraging the power of sharding. Imagine dividing the Ethereum network into smaller, more manageable pieces. That's essentially what sharding does. This allows for parallel processing, significantly increasing transaction throughput and reducing latency. But here's the kicker, Neon achieves this while maintaining full compatibility with the Ethereum Virtual Machine, EVM. This means developers can seamlessly port their existing Ethereum applications to the Neon network, unlocking a world of possibilities. So, what does this mean in the real world? Let's explore a few key use cases. Decentralized applications, dApps. Imagine playing a fast-paced, real-time game on the blockchain without worrying about exorbitant gas fees. Or how about a social media platform where you truly own your data and control your own content? Neon makes these a reality. Non-fungible tokens, NFTs. Minting and trading NFTs can become significantly more affordable and accessible on Neon. This could open up new avenues for digital art, collectibles, and even in-game assets. Decentralized finance, DeFi lending, borrowing, and trading cryptocurrencies can become faster and more efficient, making DeFi more accessible to the masses. These are just a few examples. The possibilities are truly limitless. Now, let's be realistic. No project is without its challenges. Neon, like any other Layer 2 solution, faces competition from other promising projects. Network security is paramount, and the team needs to ensure the utmost security and reliability for users' funds. Additionally, widespread adoption requires a robust and user-friendly developer ecosystem. Despite these challenges, the future of Neon looks bright. The team is actively developing and improving the network, constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible. They are actively engaging with the community, fostering a vibrant and supportive ecosystem. And most importantly, they are committed to delivering a truly decentralized and user-friendly blockchain experience. Neon represents a significant step forward in the evolution of blockchain technology. By addressing the scalability challenges of Ethereum, it has the potential to unlock a new wave of innovation and bring the power of blockchain to the masses. While there are challenges ahead, the team's dedication and the inherent value proposition of Neon make it a project worth watching closely. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.